Howdy crew, got an unboxing for some projects to be made. Let's get to it. Howdy crew, I'm William Morris, President and CEO of the Welding Cowboy Corporation, certified licensed welder and owner-operator of a welding rig based out of Los Angeles, California. On here I'll be going over welding knowledge, what it's like to own and operate a welding rig, welding blueprints, welding math, welding equipment, and so much more. Welcome to the channel. I'm William Morris, the Welding Cowboy. Gonna open this critter on up. Bought these off of Amazon. Excited to see how this goes. Alright, open this up in a second. Packages. Nice. Alright. So, start off with the little critters first. And I don't know if these tear easily or not, and they do not. So, there we go. Nope, this side's got a Ziploc. How about that? A little bit overkill on the tape. There. And it tore the bag. No need for a Ziploc now. Just about. So, these are just some old-fashioned style nails. I'm going to be trying to work with these, weld them together, see what can be made. I already have some ideas. Work on some things that I think will work, and then some other things that I'm really not sure if they'll work or not. So, just gonna be interesting, trying something different, trying something new. Keep those out there. Open this one up. Put tape over the Ziploc part, forget that. Just cut it open. Alright. These a little bit different in size. Now, they weren't exactly cheap. I don't remember the pricing of each of these, but they were not cheap by any means. So y'all can see there's a little bit of a difference in length. There, these right there. And again, not even going to worry about the Ziploc part because that's just way too much time. Not going to worry about that. As y'all can see, there's a much smaller. I believe these are the 1-inch ones. And there were multiple sizes. I don't recall at the moment the exact size of each. There's 1-inch ones, 2-inch ones, 2.5 inch. I'm just excited to see what can be done with those. We got another size here. Not cheap by any means, but I'm hoping with these nails to be able to make quite a few small projects, so there will be an abundant amount of projects. Alright, so these are longer ones, obviously. Different style. So I believe these were the... I'm not even going to say because I don't want to be wrong on there. I will figure them out and I will let you all know later what the types of cuts are. One of them is a common cut. One is more just like a square head, and one more is flooring nail from way back when. So, yeah, got a bunch of those. See if we can get 2 of these open at once. There we go. Just like that. Again, longer ones, these were fairly expensive. So I believe this is a 10 count. That one's a 10 count, that one's a 10 count. Don't recall how many are in that group. This group is this style. I'm gonna open up because I want these out. There we go. Alright. So, this group is this size. Y'all can see it is definitely different from that size. Prop that up right there against the hard hat, and this one. These are horseshoe nails, and they don't want to come out. They are stainless steel. Reason I chose that, I'll show you all in a minute. Once this critter opens, alright. These are stainless steel, nice and shiny. Also, when they're heat up, they'll change colors, and yeah, at least the welds will be a different color. I think that's pretty cool. I like that about stainless steel. So it'll be fun. This should be about 250, I believe, if I recall properly. 250 pieces, yes. So plenty of these. I see plenty around because I do have a horse. So I see a lot of these, but they're normally discarded, they're bent, all that stuff, and I want to deal with new ones, nice clean ones, not have to worry about clean so much. I will probably have to grind some of this off, I don't know yet. So I'll be figuring that out, and I don't know if I really want to even attempt a MIG tack on these, or if I just want to TIG them out, whatever I'm going to do with them. So that's up in the air at the moment. These obviously I will be TIGging. But yeah, so that's the haul for today. It's just stuff that I believe I'll be able to make things with. And I'm excited to see the different things I can brainstorm. Just have fun with these and sell them, make some money for the rig. And yeah, so I think that's pretty cool. Maybe use the forge on some of them, bend them, whatnots. So that is it for today. I'll keep y'all updated on what's going on, what happens with these, if there's a success in one style, if another style doesn't quite work, but learn from it any way possible. And I'm not afraid for some of these to, if they don't end up right, even if they have to be discarded, it's always trying. And obviously I don't want to be throwing all this away, but if I learn from some of these and find out there's an easier method, or if there's a method that doesn't quite work, I won't try that again. So I'm excited to try all that, wanting all of it to be a success, obviously, but I've not done this with horseshoe nails, common cut nails. I believe there's a common cut, and then the old-fashioned floor nails, that kind of stuff. I've not done that before, so I'm excited to try it and see what comes of it, and hopefully keep using more of these to where they're profitable, and just continue on with these and have fun with it. So that's today's vlog. See you on the next one.